Vanakkam, myself Rajabhubadi, founder and trainer, Radian IAS Academy. I did post-graduation in mathematics, that is MSc Mathematics with a distinction at St. Joseph's College, Trichy. Later, MA in Social Science and MBA. So I have more than 20 years of experience in training, coaching civil service aspirants, that is for IAS, IPS, IRS exam of UPSC and the SSC, TNPSC and CAT and Bank and IIT, JEE, etc. examination. This is our innovative program, especially for school students, Junior IAS Foundation course to develop the problem solving, logical, analytical and reasoning skills of the students. These skills are immensely valuable for school students. Problem solving. Students encounter a variety of problems in subjects like math, science, and literature. Analytical thinking helps them break down these problems into manageable parts and develop effective solutions. Analytical thinking assists students in understanding complex concepts by identifying patterns and relationships. Logical thinking helps students organize information, take structured notes, and create effective study strategies. Many exams, competitive exams, especially standardized tests, require logical reasoning skills to answer questions and solve problems. Also, analytical and logical skills prepare students for real world problem solving by encouraging them to apply theoretical knowledge to practical situations. So, analytical and logical skills are particularly important for students interested in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, that is STEM. STEM. Logical thinking enhances students' ability to articulate ideas clearly both in writing and verbally. It helps in decision making also. Analytical and logical thinking contribute to the development of sound decision making skills which are valuable in both academic and personal life. This course is designed to complement students' study routines and enhance their academic performance without affecting their study routine. So, we have been taking live online classes since 2010 for more than 13 years. So, live interactive session as well as the recorded session. To know more about this course and to attend a few free live classes and to access some recorded videos, please save this number 98403 98093 and WhatsApp Junior IAS with the student's name, standard and place. Preferably students from 6th standard to 12th standard can enroll for this course. So myself and Radiant faculty members will be handling this course. So now I am going to solve some of the problems given to our existing present junior IAS students. So this is a logical problem. So how to solve this problem? AB plus A plus B equal to 50, BA equal to what? So A and B represent digits 0 to 9. AB mean a two-digit number, A single digit number, B single digit number. So what is BA? What is the value of BA is the question. So AB plus A plus B equal to 50. That means a two-digit number, another single digit number, another single digit number equal to 50. A and B represent digits. So in mathematical common sense, we know that a two-digit number plus A plus B equal to 50 means this A, the tens digit, cannot be more than 5. So A cannot be more than 5. Can A be equal to 5? Suppose if A is equal to 5, then this is going to be some 50 or 51, 50, something like that. So therefore, in this case, some 50 plus something, if you add 50 means all B, A, B must be 0. But we know that A is equal to 5. So therefore, A cannot be 0. Therefore, contradiction. So why this contradiction? Because I assumed A is equal to 5. So therefore, now I conclude that A cannot be 5. So what next? Can A be equal to 4? So let us assume A is equal to 4. So if this is A is equal to 4, it is going to be some 40 plus something. So therefore, this is equal to 50. Therefore, B plus A plus B must be equal to 10. Then only we will get 50. So B plus A plus B equal to 10. We know A equal to 4. Therefore, this is going to be 2B plus 4 equal to 10. 2B equal to 6. So this implies B equals 3. So therefore, we have found A equal to 4 and b equal to 3. A, is this a unique solution? Yes. A equal to 3, not possible. Suppose A is equal to 3, it is going to be 3, then this is 3. So therefore, this becomes some 33. So the remaining B and B, 2B cannot be equal to 17. So therefore, A is equal to 3 or 2 or 1, not possible. Therefore, the unique value for A and B. So therefore, the answer is, what is the answer is, what is the two-digit number of the form BA? The answer is 34 is the answer. We can verify the answer. The answer is A is equal to 4, so B is equal to 3. Therefore, 43, 4, 3 add up. So therefore, this becomes 50. So the answer is verified. Next question. Simplify. That means find the value of this. 10 factorial plus 11 factorial plus 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 4 factorial. What do you mean by factorial? N factorial means product of numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 till n. For example, 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is equal to 120. Similarly, what is 2 factorial? Which is equal to 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. What is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is equal to 1. Similarly, 0 factorial. So factorial can be also written using this symbol. 0 factorial is always equal to, also equal to 1. So right now you assume the value of 0 factorial as 1. This we prove during our graduation in mathematics. So this is important result. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now back to our problem. So what is 10 factorial? 1 into 2 into till 10. What is 11 factorial? 1, 2, 3 till 11. What is 12 factorial? 1, 2, 3 till 12. So 10 factorial contains, 11 factorial contains 10 factorial. 12 factorial also contains 10 factorial. I'll explain. So what is 11 factorial? So this is 11 factorial. Up to this portion is 10 factorial. Therefore, this is 10 factorial up to this portions. Therefore, 11 factorial can be written as 10 factorial into 11. Similarly, 12 factorial can be written as 10 factorial into 11 into 12. So this is our problem. So therefore, we can take 10 factorial common. So if I take 10 factorial out of 10 factorial, 1 plus from 11 factorial, I'll get 11 remaining. In 12 factorial, I'll get 11 into 12 divided by 10 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 24. Now I can cancel 10 factorial and 10 factorial. What is 11 into 12? 132. You are supposed to memorize the tables. Very essential. We will teach you the speed maths techniques also, the Vedic maths techniques also, how to do calculations faster. So this is 132, 142 plus 2, 144. So therefore 144 by 24 upon cancellation and simplification, the answer is 6. So therefore the answer for this question is 6. Next question. A semicircle is inscribed in a rectangle. If the area of the semicircle is 77 centimeters squared, then find the area of a rectangle ABCD. What do you mean by rectangle? So rectangle is a quadrilateral like this. Corner angles 90 degree, length and breadth. So therefore, what is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Similarly, what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle, we know that it is pi r squared. So area of a semicircle means pi r squared by 2. R stands for radius. What is the value of pi? Pi, for calculation purpose, we assume the value of pi is 22 by 7, but the pi is not equal to 22 by 7. Pi is an irrational number. So pi is a non-ending, non-recurring number. So therefore, the exact value of pi is what, 3.14159 and run into millions of digits. So now see in this in the diagram. So this is radius. So breadth is equal to r. This is length. Length is equal to, this is r, this is another r. Therefore, length is equal to 2r. Now we are supposed to find the value of r using the given information. Pi r squared by 2 is equal to 77. So we can cancel 22 and 2. This is 11 and 11 and 77, 7 times. Therefore, r squared is equal to, this 7 comes to this side as a numerator. So therefore this is 7 into 7. So r squared is equal to 49, or 7 into 7 means r is equal to 7. So we have found the radius as 7. That means in the rectangle the length is equal to 2r. R is equal to 7, therefore length is equal to 14. Breadth is equal to r, which is equal to 7. Therefore area is equal to 14 into 7. So 70 plus 28. Therefore, the answer is 98 is the answer. Next question. Geometry questions. Triangle question. Find the angular measure x. Find the value of x, the angle x. Assume that this is A, vertex A, B, C. A, B, C, a triangle. We know that the straight angle is, this is called straight angle, which is equal to 180 degree. When straight angle is 180 degree, up to this portion is 120 degree. Therefore, this should be 60 degree. Similarly, this should be 50 degree. We know that the sum of the three angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, this third angle is 180 minus the sum of these two angles. So 50 plus 60. So 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree. So we know that in a basic geometry, the opposite angles are same. Suppose if this is A, then this should be A. Therefore, this is 70. Therefore, x should be 70. Therefore, the answer is 70 degree. So to know more about our course, Junior IAS Foundation course, to attend some free classes and to watch our recorded classes, some of the classes free before joining this course, save this number in your mobile and send WhatsApp message as Junior IAS. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Nandri.